Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is a new week. Well, it's actually Monday. So the plan for today is to go to this beach in Yokohama, which is about 2 hours away. I'm late. I'm sweaty, as you can see on my neck. This is my outfit. So I was supposed to wear this dress without any tights or anything. Well, I was gonna wear short tights underneath it, but then I was like, okay, I'm in Japan. Let me just dress a little modest in the sense that let me put on something that is showing, because I was gonna wear tights underneath this dress because it's very short. I didn't realize it was gonna be this short. Yeah, anyways, I'm always straying from the point. So heading to Yokohama, we're gonna have like a picnic, maybe a games night. I'm not gonna swim, but I carried a swimwear, so maybe I'm gonna be taking pictures and stuff. Yeah, just have a good time. It's about midday now. It's cloudy. I don't think it's gonna be sunny today, which is good, but it's still hot. Say hi to the peeps.
Hello.
Money, Kashara.
Hi.
And Nicolette. This is really nice. Let me go look at the view, guys. Anyway, so we finally made it to Arasaki Park, if that's what it means. But look at this view, though. Damn. Wow, this is very nice. Very nice. Look at this. Damn. Time for food. KFC. Let's see.
Lying down.
Chicken. I bought hot chicken and regular chicken.
I eat everything except cheese.
Why is it so far?
And carrots.
You?
They're all here taking pictures before the sun goes down, you know. Yeah, this is a really very nice place, but it's just very far. So I would come back here if it wasn't so far away. Nicolette.
Waiting. Hi guys, I'm really sweating.
Yeah, it's very hot. Then the Jamaican crew over there. Oh, come on, Money. Come on, get up. Come on. Alright guys, so we have been taking pictures because this place is so beautiful. And the way it's so windy, so it's not that hot out here. So we're gonna change, because I carried a box and I carried like a very nice swimming piece that I wanted to wear on vacation. Anyways, we're gonna go change. We're gonna probably change in the bush because I don't see any. But look, fun this too, no? We got all of this for ourselves. Not planned, you know. I guess this is just a section where people don't really come, because I prefer to go where the water is, I guess. Plus, when Japanese people come up here and they see like 2, 4, 6, like almost 8 black people, there's no way they're gonna want to come stay up here. So the fact that we're up here, they're gonna find somewhere else to go, which is good for us because we get it all to ourselves, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna go change. There are a lot of bugs here too, and I have to be holding my dress because I don't want to flash anybody.
What is you?
This water looks so dirty, man. Anyways, we're at the edge, you know, but they're taking pictures and all. Watching the sunset. Very nice. I carried a bikini, but I'm not gonna change because I'm not in the water. So this is all that I got on. Oh yeah. see. Yeah. So this is the ward office. This is where I'm gonna go to get my vaccine certificate and also vaccine passport. See, this is the Asahi ward office. Hey guys, so it is a new day. I just came from the ward office. I went to the ward office, which is like a government office where, so in Japan, each ward or each area that you live in, you have to go to that ward office to, for example, register your address and so on. The reason why I went to the ward today was because I needed a vaccination certificate. So in order to travel, like leave Japan and come back in, you need a certificate, and I needed to get that. So I went to the ward office, and while I was there, I decided to just let them know that I'm leaving the Asahi area, which is my ward, and I will be moving to another area. So that trip turned into like, one thing with Japan, they're gonna make everything be extra difficult because I'm leaving the Yokohama city and I'm gonna be moving to another city. I have to change my insurance. So they actually took my insurance card and they gave me a piece of paper. So if I should go to the doctor, but I know on the time that I'm moving out, I should use that paper. But if I'm going to the doctor after that period, I don't have any health insurance. So can you imagine? Like, this makes no sense. And it was a lot of things. So when I got home, I'm gonna explain to you guys in a little more details. But now I am at the train station, as you can see, and I will be, oh guys, this is a so line. So now I can tell you guys where exactly I live, because by the time you see this video, I'm gonna already be moved out, because I'm very paranoid when it comes down to like my address and stuff like that being out there, because I don't want anybody to, you know, like try to find me and all of that. But anyway, this is me being paranoid, especially because I live by myself. I'm going to the supermarket now, so I'll let you guys know when I get home in details what I'm talking about. This is torture. This is torture. Like, it's humid as hell out here. I'm walking to the supermarket, guys, because I'm moving out next week. I don't really want to buy a lot of stuff, but then again, I don't want to be eating out too much. So I think I'm probably gonna get some chicken and then some fruits, like a whole pineapple, and then have that for the week. I actually don't even have my microwave, so I'm gonna have to be using the stove a lot to like reheat the stuff. The wind is acting crazy. Yeah. Yes, I think that. And then I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so I think I'm gonna get some like maybe McDonald's too. I always get mango blend. Alright guys, so I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna get some fish instead, because I actually have chicken in my fridge, so I don't want any more chicken. I haven't had fish, I haven't cooked fish in a while, so I'm gonna just get some salmon. So 1, 2. Pineapple. Oh my god, there are only 2 pineapples here. Let me get this one. Yeah, I like this mango jelly thing. And look, apparently a lot of people like it too, because look at the others. They're full except for this one. And some lettuce. Nice looking one. I think that's it. I'm not buying anything else. I think this is shrimp. I've never eaten a shrimp burger before, and it's because it was in Japanese and I thought it was like chicken or something, but then when it changed over to English, I saw that it was freaking shrimp, but I had already ordered, so it was too late to cancel because I can't bother with the headache. But anyways, I'm gonna be eating shrimp. Hey guys, so it's actually 2 days later. I was supposed to give you guys a rundown when I got home about the ward office, so I'm gonna do that in a sec. But today, the people, like, I contacted the, what you call it, my brain, I'm just so tired. I contacted second-hand shop, and they're gonna come and collect my furniture, so I have 3 pieces to give to them. I'm also trying to get rid of this thing too, so they're gonna collect it today. So I have no work today, but yesterday I went to work. I had like a 1.5 hour nursery school work. Like, no, I think, let me set the camera up. Yeah, you guys can hear me. Let me close the window because it's very noisy. I tell you guys, when the window is open, you notice the difference. It's so quiet now. Anyways, so let me open right here. So the thing is, well, yesterday I had like a 1 hour and 30-minute nursery school lessons. I had 3-year-olds, 4-year-olds, 5-year-olds, 3 different classes, and it was so good. Like, I think I enjoyed teaching babies versus elementary school, junior high school, or even adults. Waiting on the Second Street people, because that's the name of the second-hand shop. I'm waiting on them to come and collect the 3 pieces of furniture. My apartment is getting emptier and emptier by the second because I carried over some stuff already to my friend's place. So I'm waiting on the Second Street people to collect these, and then next week, my last day in this apartment, Interact is gonna send people over to collect their furniture. So also next week Tuesday, I'm gonna be leaving my apartment completely. Yeah, after 4 years. Oh, by the way, my anniversary, my 4-year anniversary in Japan was yesterday, the 18th, because now it's August 19th. All right, so let me just quickly update you guys. So I went to the ward office initially because I hired a translator to go to the ward office because I wanted to get the vaccination passport, which they also call vaccination certificate, to enter back into Japan, because once you exit Japan, in order to come back, you need a vaccination certificate. So I went there to get the documents, and I actually thought that I would have processed and left the documents there, but actually they told me to so they gave me this envelope and also this one. So this one is where so I had to buy stamps, but this one is where I'm gonna be sending all the documents to. So I'm gonna put this into this and then send it off. Documents that they required were a copy of my passport, a copy of my resident card, the application form, and the envelope. So those 4 things, I'm gonna put it at the post office so that they can send it off, and then the smaller envelope is where they're gonna, when they're finished with the certificate, they're gonna mail it to me. And I gave them my new address, because by the time, like 2 weeks later, when they're finished with whatever they're doing, it's gonna be like I'm gonna be long gone from this apartment. Anyway, so while I was there, because I hired a translator, I was like, okay, let me utilize the translator and just get some documents taken care of, because in Japan, when you move from an address, you have to register the new address. So because I'm moving out of Yokohama city, I'm gonna be in Zama city. So according to the ward office, I need to complete a form from there, which I didn't know. I thought that I would just complete the form when I get to the new address, the new ward office. But because I'm moving outside of Yokohama city, I have to complete a form. And then also because I'm moving out, they took my health insurance. So right now I have a piece of flimsy paper. So if I need to go to the doctor, I have to use a flimsy paper to instead of the card, my usual health card. And also, not just that, is that I leave this apartment on the 23rd of August. So that means at the end of the 23rd, like now to the 23rd, I can use that paper, and then after the 23rd, I won't have any health insurance. And according to them, if I go to the doctor, which I'm gonna go because I have some checkups to do, when I go to the doctor in September, if I don't have the health card, I have to pay out of pocket, and then I have to go back to the hospital, wherever I go, and they will reimburse me the difference. No, tell me now, does that make sense? I'm paying 27,000 odd every month, and you're telling me I have to go through all this stress because your system does not align. When I go to the new location, my new address, I'm gonna have to get a new card. No, I don't know, maybe I'm being unreasonable, but that to me does not make any sense. And then they were explaining to me about the payments, like um so now I'm gonna not pay anything. Well, I have to finish paying like up until August, and then I'm gonna start paying Zama for the new health insurance bills. Like, so that's why I wanted to tell you guys. Like, it's just so confusing, and I'm just so tired. Like, I'm just so glad that I'm gonna be leaving Japan in a few months, because like living here can be frustrating sometimes, because just the simplest thing. Because before, when they finished the vaccination certificate process, I was like, okay, I need the document, the same form that you use when you to register your new address. I want it so that I can just complete it and then take it to the new ward office, instead of going to the new ward office trying to figure out how to complete the form and all of that, because of course the form is going to be in Japanese. And then it was like probably 5 minutes it took for them to agree to allow me to complete the form, even though I'm not gonna be giving it to them. And then afterwards they realized, okay, because I'm gonna live outside of Yokohama, I have to complete the form from there. So yeah, anyways, that's just it. I'm just over it. Just a few more months, guys, and I'm gonna be outside of the country because I want to travel a little. So a few more months, but at the same time I'm gonna be maybe not in Japan for a few months. Shit is getting real, like literally. I can't believe I'm leaving my apartment after 4 years. Yeah, this apartment has served me so well. Like, I have so many memories in this apartment, so many people. Let me not say that, but yeah, like my friends came over, even though it's so small and stuff. Like, you know, it was just my home. And now I'm gonna go live with my friend until the end of my time in Japan. So yeah, so there goes my privacy too, because I know that once I leave Japan, more than likely I'm gonna be living with people. I think, maybe, depending on the path that I choose. Cause I still don't know what exactly I'm gonna be doing, cause I have my plans, but I don't know for sure that, okay, this is definitely what I'm gonna be doing when I leave Japan, because I don't know. But I just know that, you know, like, you have one life, you gotta do what you gotta do, and you gotta, you know, like, you gotta be adventurous, and you gotta take risk. So I'm ready for that, and I'm just excited to leave Japan. But at the same time, I'm gonna miss Japan, even though Japan gives me headaches, a lot of headaches. But yeah, unfortunately they didn't take this because of this scratch that I have here. They said I couldn't take it, so I'm left with this. But to be honest, I'm glad that they took the others, because those would be like a nightmare to get rid of. But this is pretty easy, because all I need to do is just pull it down, and then I can just put it in the garbage. So that's what I'm gonna do. But because I need it to like put my dish drainer and my dishes on until I'm ready to actually move out, I'm gonna like keep it until then. So like the night before I'm leaving, and that's when I'm gonna so I'm gonna put it down. But yeah, like, guys, like, I'm one step closer to leaving. I put the wallpaper only at the parts where would have been visible, so that is why it'd be looking like this. I probably need to I need to take it down like tonight or tomorrow. Tomorrow I have only a 1 hour class, then I come back home and it's at 4:15, so I have a lot of free time. Tomorrow I can, you know, just do something. And then Saturday, nothing. Maybe I think I'm going out with Nicolette. Maybe we'll go to a water park. Sunday I'm free. Monday I have work all day. Not all day, but I have two separate sets of work, so I just call it all day. And then Tuesday is when they're gonna come and inspect my apartment, so I need to clean. I already started cleaning at some sections. I need to thoroughly clean, even though I don't really need to clean because I paid cleaning fee already. So but anyways, I'm gonna go, because I haven't eaten anything, because I was not sure when they were gonna come. Now that they have arrived, I can just go help myself to some food. I think I want to make like fritters, but I feel so fucking lazy. Sorry, I feel so lazy. Like, I don't even want to do anything. Anyways, well, I forgot to tell you guys that 2nd Street, they gave me 2,000 yen for the chest of drawers and 1,000 yen for the sofa. Yeah, so that is much better than nothing, and it's way less stress than to post it online and get random people messaging me, organizing pickup time and all kind of crap. So I just decided to just go the cheapest route and the less headache route. Hey y'all, so it's Saturday afternoon and I'm heading to Ebina, which is about 30 minutes from where I am. I'm gonna meet up with Nicolette and we're gonna go watch a movie, and then we're gonna go to a restaurant. I have made it to Ebina, so I'm gonna search for Nicolette right now. I think she's at the theater place. We're gonna meet up with somebody else as well. We're going all the way over there where you see Toho Cinema. So I'm gonna meet Nicolette. I have been to this cat cafe before, but the cats aren't so friendly, so I wouldn't go back at all. I see Nicolette over there in the green. We're going to watch Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park is called? I don't know. Hey guys, so we just finished watching the movie. It was very good. Like, Nicolette was scared. But anyway, so we're gonna head to Outback right now. It's actually raining. Wow, this is very big. So I ordered chicken quesadilla with a hamburger, and Nicolette got baby back ribs with, I think, is it chicken? Maybe. This is chicken. Yeah, what is it? Baby back ribs with chicken. Yeah, so bon appetit. Yeah, we gotta eat. Yeah, you can go ahead and eat it. I got strawberry smoothie. Nicolette, you don't want to say hi to the peeps? I'm heading home. I got my leftover food from Outback, so I'm gonna head home right now. Guys, so it is Monday, and this is the last day I think I'm gonna be vlogging for this video because it's a new week, but I didn't do much stuff last week. So I'm heading to work right now. I have 2 different locations to go to, and I feel like I'm probably gonna have to hire a taxi or something because I have less than 2 hours to reach to the next location, and I've never been there. But anyway, so my place is a mess because I have been packing. I still have a lot of stuff to do. I've started to take down the wallpaper, and I'm packing up my final set of suitcase. Since I already carried over like 2 sets of stuff, I have to sort out this stuff, and I have some other stuff that I need to add to this pile, and also I need to maybe throw away some stuff. So I need to go back through all of this and see if I really need them, because I'm gonna be taking a taxi and I don't really want to carry a whole bunch of stuff to the taxi. So I'm trying to cut back, and plus I have like my laundry stuff and my dishes and stuff that I want to carry, like some of them. Anyways, so when I come home later, I'm gonna try and figure out all of this, and I'm gonna be home like 7-8 o'clock, so it's gonna be like I'm not gonna have time. Oh, it's tomorrow that the people are coming, so tomorrow I'm gonna be out of my apartment, unfortunately. Guys, so I made it to my work location. I'm like 3 minutes away, but I have decided to just, I see like a little park here, so I'm gonna just relax right here for like 20 minutes 30 minutes because I am 1 hour early. And the thing is, because I didn't want to be late, I left out too early. I know I'm really too early, but it's fine because I prefer to be early than to be late. So I'm gonna go sit right there where no one is and look at the pond. This place is pretty cool too. There's like a stadium back that side. I just hope it's not too dirty. You see? No, it's not. Nice. Okay, so I can relax right here. I think there's another stadium over there too. This is how my apartment be looking now. And these are the stuff that I'm gonna be taking with me. I know it's a lot. It's officially move out day, guys, and I am super tired because I was up all night. When I say all night, I mean literally all night. I was up packing, trying to put everything together because today is the day that they're gonna come and collect like the appliances, and also they're gonna do inspection, and the gas people gonna come and I don't know, do some, I guess, turn off the gas or something. So I have a really, well, not so busy day. It's just like a waiting game. Like no, it's 9 o'clock. I went to bed at 7 a.m. No, it's 9 o'clock. So I slept for like an hour, but I kept waking up because I just felt paranoid because the first set of people, which is appliances, they're supposed to come pick up the appliances between 9 to 12, and then between 12 and 4 the inspection people are gonna come, and also 2 to 3 the gas people are gonna come. So it's like, you know, it's just a waiting game pretty much. I'm tired and I just can't wait to, you know, like done with this day. After 4 years of being in this apartment, it's the last day. I'm tired, guys. I'm so tired. I don't even care what my hair look, because at this point I'm just over this part of Japan. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, or you can send me a message on Instagram. My Instagram is Sashoni V. Okay, all right, bye guys.